Hi guys, I really hope you guys are big fans of Minions like I am because I've loved this Minions ever since I first laid my eyes on them. So kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video because today we are doing something very beautiful and something that I dearly love. So you start by designing your minion pattern on this sheet of paper that is available. If you want to get this PDF, reach out to me. The contact details on down on the description below, and the materials required for this project are, of course, the 0.30 millimeters fishing line and your seed beads. These colors, the gray, black, blue, light blue, yellow, and white colors, and also the nail cutter. So we are basically going to use the right angle weave to make this minion. And I would like to um, remind you guys that this project that we're starting here, it's sort of like a 3D outline. This is not for a beginner. If this is the very first time you're coming across beading and you'd like to start beadwork, you've never done beading before, or you're still in the introduction stages, what I'd recommend is you just watch so that you can have sort of like the roadmap, or you can get a slight hint of what beading is all about. But if you would love to start beading, kindly check out, we have our previous videos that we have done on introduction to right angle weave, and we have done others on maybe beading two colors or one color or three colors, like beading different flags that we've done. Those are much more simpler tutorials where you can use as a beginner. This one is for someone who is used to doing beadwork, someone who already is used to doing the right angle weave, so that it can provide sort of like a roadmap to them or to you, so that you can know how to go about this 3D effect on the minions. Minions have always been something that I love. I love animations, and if you also love animations or the minions, kindly let me know in the comment section down below, because some people kind of say these things are meant for kids, but for me, I love animations till the day I die. As you can see, we're making progress. This tutorial is meant to give you sort of like a roadmap on how you can go about making this project. The thing is, making such a thing can take almost 3 to 4 hours. So I try to squeeze all that content into this short kind of 10 minute to 15-minute tutorial, so that you can at least get the glimpse on how this goes about. But if you would love maybe sort of like a more comprehensive tutorial, feel free to reach out to me. My contact details are down on the description below, where you can be able to talk and see how we can make a tailor-made tutorial on that will specifically help you to the needs that you would want on beading. And also, for those of you who would also want to get the PDF on the right angle weave pattern, feel free to reach out to me. I will send it to you for free. So my contact details are down on the description below, And as you can see, we've started making our minion. It's making good progress. You can see we're making it from the left towards the right, and the body has already started coming out, as you can see here. Also guys, I have a request. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly pause this video here, go down to the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so that anytime we post something new, you'll be first to know. And also don't forget to hit the like button, because for some reason that's what tells YouTube that this content is good, and so it gets to suggest it to more people, and we can be able to get this beautiful content out to a larger number of people. So don't forget to hit the like button, and also you can share it with other people that you feel that the content will make a positive impact on them. So also, if you were able to take up a challenge and do any of the tutorials or any of the sample artworks that I have been doing, you can also reach out to me. My contact details are down on the description below, where you can share with me what you've been able to do, and I can be able to share with other people so that we can inspire more people to get into beading, because that's generally what this content is all about. We want to inspire more beaders, more people to get into beading, so that we can be able to pass down this great ideas and also this great inheritance of art and these skills, and we can be able to pass it down to more people or the next generation. So as you can see here, we're making some very beautiful progress. We've been able to make the one eye, sort of like half of the minion is complete, so we are proceeding. It's basically just replicating the other side onto this other side, so we are doing that slowly but sure. The thing about beadwork, from what I've observed, is you need to be quite patient. You need to remember that you just have to put one bead at a time. Really need to be conscious so that you can be able to spot whenever you make a mistake. Also remember that this is a skill that can easily help you earn some extra money from the comfort of your home or the comfort of your spare time. So it's a skill that you can be able to get some dollars on the side, so you should take this kind of seriously if you love art, that is. And you can definitely be able to do something from that. You can be able to make some money, or you can be able to also teach other people and learn, because the beauty of beading is that every day is sort of like a new learning experience. Because for me personally, I tend to learn a lot every day from the new designs or the new challenges that I take upon. And as you can see here, our minion looks sort of like alive, only that they are one-dimensional. So we're going to finish it up, and then we also make the second one and put them together and bind it, and then we can have one solid piece. So this minion is something that you can also sell and get some money here and there. And you can be able to use this as a key holder, as you saw in the intro of this video. We are using it as a key holder, but you can also use it as a necklace pendant, or alternatively you can also suggest what you would personally use this for. So on the comment section down below, you can let me know what will you use this for. And as you can see, we are done making our minion. The two pieces, I think they're like waving to you, so the stretched out hand is sort of like waving. That's the impression I get from it. So once you're done making the two pieces like this, now it's time to put them together. Make sure they're correctly aligned like this. So you put them together like that, and then you make sure that they're correctly aligned like that, and then now you begin to bind them together. Make sure that the colors that you're putting at the border are matching to the minion so that they don't look awkward. So like here we've started with a gray bead, one gray bead, and then we pick one other gray bead and we crisscross and you pull, and then you pass the fishing line through the next bead on the right and on the left, and then you continue. So if this is your first time to come across this content, you may be wondering why maybe I'm taking this too fast. It's because beading takes a very long time. Like for this project, it took us approximately 3 to 4 hours just to be able to make this minion. And I'm quite sure if you saw this video to be 4 hours, definitely you will be bored. And that's why we try to shorten it to this length so that you can be able to see the most important bits. But if you would love maybe a more comprehensive detailed step-by-step video, you can reach out to me. The contact details are down on the description below, so that we can be able to work out your private class, so that we can be able to do a private class with you. So reach out to me. The contact details are down on the description below if you would want slower, much comprehensive video. So as you can see here, we are done making our very beautiful minion. It does look impressive in person, and I really love it. So you can see it looks very realistic, and this is something you can gift to your friends, maybe a kid, because you can put it you can add a hook and use it as a necklace or key holder. So I really hope you are impressed, and I really hope that you can be able to try out this making one of yours. And if you are able to do that, kindly reach out to me. I would love to see what you're able to do, and I really hope to see more comments. If you are able to watch until this point, kindly comment Minion down on the comment section below, so that I can know that you are able to watch till this point. So I hope to see you on our next video. Really love you guys, and see you then.